Sounds like an old phone. This is an 80s phone. Cool. Great. This is kind of beeping. A bit nostalgic. I used to have this kind of ringtone on my parents' phone when I was like 5. Wonder how they changed that in 2016. Great. 2 beeps. Sounds like a radio. What the? Looks like an alien searching. I don't know what. Alien radio signals. Yeah, I got them. This one's cool. This thing is a great mass. This is epic. This thing is an epic masterpiece. Ooh, this thing's nostalgic too. I had this one too. Most of the ringtones we had on the old phones. Oh, most of the ringtones we have now. Oh, this one? Ooh, I like it too. Kind of. Well, yeah. Why does it sound like a telephone bell? It's a classic bell. It sounds like a telephone. This one is amazing. It sounds like a song. This thing have a really low volume. Sounds like a light bulb. But this thing is cool. It was made by a piano actually. That's cool. Man, I used to use this ringtone, dude. Well, a few months ago, my mom used to use this ringtone. Just this one. Just on this one. Now, you put it on. Hey. Ooh, this thing's cool too. Look, this thing was my alarm. Oh, this is my alarm. We have a BTS. A Japan over the horizon. Another one. Another BTS. Damn, BTS fans and rockets. Oh yeah, even I used to have this ringtone. It's real long. This sounds like nothing, dude. This thing is too silent. Imagine getting a call, an urgent call, and you don't even hear it properly. This is weird. Oh yeah, this is my alarm too. Wait. see this one is. This is cool. This is nice. I used to use these ringtones in fake call. Fake collapse. Yeah, fake collapse. I actually used to use these ringtones. Yeah, this one too. Sounds like fun too. And this one too. And the last ringtone here we got. This thing is the first ringtone I use probably in my fake call apps.